Divya Marie Kato from divyamariekato.com. I'm an artist, I love to draw and I love to share drawing with other people. Welcome to Atelier Kato and welcome to our studio and welcome to the home of When in Doubt Draw. When in Doubt Draw basically started as a very simple idea to share my love of drawing with other people in a way that I'd never seen done before. It's grown into this drawing school that we have in Tokyo in Japan, and it is now a full program which is now online. When in Doubt Draw is designed to give you everything that you need to be able to draw on your own and in your own style. It's designed to take you from blank page to wherever you want to go, so you might want to start with drawing and move into painting. In 5 stress-free and fun steps, it's designed to build your confidence with creativity and guide you back to the blank page. It can be used individually for you to learn how to draw at home, or if you're looking for fun ideas for your next team build, it's a really great empowerment resource. So however you found me, whatever stage you're at, and wherever in the world you are, welcome to When in Doubt Draw, welcome to your inner artist, and I'm very excited to welcome you back to your creative self. Yes, you can draw, yes, you are creative, let me show you how. See you in the program.